Hi guys, welcome back to Godwin John. Today we are going to my mom's favorite place. कौन सा जगह है मम्मा फेवरेट आपका?
Marriott.
Which Marriott?
Juhu.
JW Marriott Juhu. To have the Sunday brunch which happens in Lotus Cafe. Okay, so they are celebrating their birthday month. So throughout the January month, every Sunday they are going to do a elaborate special Sunday brunch. So that's what we are going to experience. And आज हम तीनों जा रहे हैं साथ में. तो I am not a good buffet eater. My mom loves buffet. Okay, मानसी का थोड़ा मतलब मूड के ऊपर होता है बहुत कुछ कि कोई दिन बहुत खाएगी कोई दिन खाएगी नहीं. आज का मूड आपको दिखेगा वीडियो में. So
कम खाएगी आज
कम खाएगी. So let's get started with Godwin John, the Million Foodie, and JW Marriott Juhu. We have reached the Lotus Cafe, JW Marriott Juhu. So they have completed 23 years. So they have little arrangements where the balloons, and this is you can click your photo here, and this is the setup. अभी थोड़ा खाली. So Mansi, what are you planning to eat today? Show me the spread.
So we have sushi over here. They have 2 vegetarian sushis and 2 non-vegetarian sushis.
Superb. So that's vegetarian for you and vegetarian non-veg for me.
There's something for everyone over here.
Okay.
Then we have again soup counter, broccoli almond soup. And there is a non-vegetarian soup. Again we have 2 veg dim sums, 2 non-veg dim sums, which look really nice. This one looks really nice.
So looks superb.
And even this one looks really. I'm gonna have this one. Chocolate
which one?
edamame.
Chocolate edamame dim sums.
And
It's so good maybe. That's why it's empty. So they have live counters. So they have prawns, lobsters, chicken, fish, everything here. Okay. Looks good.
And there is another live counter here. I think this is a teppanyaki.
What is this?
Teppanyaki.
Teppanyaki.
So they prepare rice, noodles for you, live, whatever you like.
This is a chaat counter.
There is a this is a chicken cutlet.
Chicken cutlets and mutton cutlet. Wow.
This is the chaat counter.
Oh, they make the best pani puris. The best pani puris.
Then we have the cold cuts over here. Cold cuts and salads. There's non-veg salad on that side. This is all vegetarian salads. This is some vegetarian salad here as well. There are different types of tomatoes. That's cucumber. And there is cheese. I can't wait. No, this is burrata.
Burrata, sorry.
We have
Burrata.
mulberries and a lot of other dressings to go with that.
So they have fruits as well.
Salads over here, there are fruits.
They have fruits as well. So this is the normal North Indian food. So they have badami murg, bhuna gosh, murg kofta biryani. So this is the North Indian side. What's there for you vegetarian mein?
There's paneer makhan masala. There is kofta curry.
Okay.
Kashmiri
aloo.
unasa. This is the continental counter, rather Italian food we have. There's a lot of pasta. There are different types you can choose from. You can make your own pasta over here. Then I have an Asian food counter again. There is
My favorite
Korean
cuisine.
noodles, which is kind of over, so they're going to refill it. Then there's a bunch of sauces. We have one more live counter here. They're making mushroom asparagus quiche. That sounds yummy. And there is a live counter where you can make your own pizza. We are going to make a nice cheese pizza with
a lot of
lots
cheese.
of cheese.
A lot of cheese.
We have that. And these are some appetizers over here. There's kebab. There's corn.
Lasuni tangdi kebab. Wow, sounds
There is
good.
chicken nuggets. There is jalapeno cheese poppers. Crispy corn.
Crispy bacon with couscous salad.
We have some grilled veggies. There's jacket potatoes, baked cannelloni, and
This is a whole fish.
Roasted leg of ham.
Roast leg of ham.
There's a whole chicken that has been roasted over here. Oh, this is summer rolls. This is Vietnamese food, guys. Summer rolls.
So there is, in short, there is multiple cuisines in this buffet. Oh, which Which flavors do we
of
have?
ice cream do we have today?
This one's cotton candy, vanilla, chocolate, coffee, mango, fruit and butterscotch.
Yeah,
Superb.
looks nice.
Butterscotch
they
for
have
me.
waffle cones as well.
Wow.
And multiple toppings to pick.
Super.
This is Vidur's favorite counter, not mine. We have a lot of desserts over here. Very crumble cake. I think I'm going to try this one. I'm not much of a cream on my dessert person, but you can see there's a lot of. There's a peach tart. There's a berry cheesecake.
So they have badam sheera as well. That's an Indian dessert. Then they have anguri rasmalai. Oh lovely. So they have Indian desserts. मोतीचूर लड्डू माय फेवरेट ससुर के घर ससुर जब जाता हूँ घर पे ससुराल ससी मायका उसका मायका मेरा जो भी हुआ वो उसमें मैं मोतीचूर लड्डू खाता ससुराल मैं मोतीचूर लड्डू खाता ही खाता हूँ.
With Madeline, there are different flavors of Madeline.
Superb.
Chocolate tart. There's chia pudding, pastry, mango passion fruit, and then so many others.
Superb. Let's attack. How was your food so far?
Very good.
Huh? What do you like the most here? Right in this menu.
Prawns,
But what type of prawns?
stir fry.
Stir fry prawns. Today is the 23rd birthday of Gabriel Marriott. So they are serving champagne. So the chef of Marriott has sent lamb chops, noodles, one non-veg burger, one veg burger. और मेरी बीवी फोटो खींच रही है, वीडियो ले रही है. And my mom is munching. Lamb chops are super yummy. फ्रेम में आधा और मुझे मालूम है, but I want to show the lamb chops more than me. Superb. How's the summer roll?
Good,
Honest review.
but there is something. I think it's raw onions, or I don't know what.
Raw onions. I can see onions from here.
I don't like it.
You're not an onion fan.
Yeah. Some
Since last night, since 2-3 days, I'm craving noodles. As soon as I entered the buffet station, I saw noodles. तो मैं बोला सबसे पहले ये खाना है और पानी पूरी खाना है. तो मेरा नूडल्स आ गया है, पानी पूरी आ रही है. उसके पहले हमने लैम्ब चॉप्स खा चुके हैं. द पिज़्ज़ा वाज एक्सीलेंट, द लैम्ब चॉप्स वर एक्सीलेंट, द बर्गर वाज गुड. What was the noodles you ordered? The rice?
teppanyaki fried rice.
Teppanyaki fried rice was superb. Today the food has been excellent. Nothing which has gone wrong so far. And to be honest, Marriott में कुछ कभी बहुत rarely कुछ खराब रहता है. Thank you. दही पूरी भी आ गया मेरा, पानी पूरी भी आ गया मेरा. Chaat and Asian food. Two cuisines.
दही चावल भी है.
Chaat and pani puri. Chaat and Asian food. Two things I can eat anytime. रात को उठा भी दोगे तो मैं खा लूँगा.
बस देखो ये पार्ट करती हो ना, अरे विदुर की दहशत देखो, एक आँख क्या दिखाती है, सब हो गया आसपास.
So our meal ender is here. Cotton candy ice cream. इसके पहले मैं कैरेमल आइसक्रीम खा चुका हूँ. Superb. Sing now.
I don't know these words. What are you saying?
So we are done with Gabriel Marriott 23rd birthday Sunday brunch, which is happening. The birthday celebration is happening every Sunday of this month, January month. I hope to post this video January में ही. आज
अगले हफ्ते आ जाएगा.
अगले हफ्ते तक आ जाएगा. रील तो आ जाएगा.
रील आ जाएगा तो इंस्टाग्राम पर लोग ऑलरेडी देख चुके होंगे.
Okay.
We got these photos clicked, guys.
So they had an instant photo
Family
booth.
photo and a photo of me and Vidur together.
Yes.
So there's a photo booth over there.
मतलब हम लोग फुल स्टफ्ड लेयर उसका फ़ोटो देखा हम लोगों ने, क्या फ़ोटो बूथ भी है, हमने अपना शादी में रखी थी, शादी में तो हम भूल गए थे खींचना, बट या anyway, so the experience was fantastic. Mansi, how was the experience? My
It was
experience was
really
fantastic.
good. There's so much food, like if no matter what you like, no matter how different your food choices are, if you're going in a group, there is something for everyone over there. There's Asian, there's Italian, there's Indian food, there's Vietnamese food, there's chaat, there is
favorite.
a lot of stuff, there's a lot of desserts, there's a lot of food even for kids, even for vegetarians, and of course being the property that it is, if you guys are looking के हमको कोई Jain option वगैरह चाहिए तो वो भी बहुत easily मिल जाएगा आप लोग को. You just have to request and they will take care of you, so you will not go hungry, that's for sure.
Mama, आपको how was your experience, Ma?
It was very good.
What did you like the most?
I like the non-vegetarian things a lot. The
Like
prawns.
prawns.
And the curry was very good. The fish curry was
Oh,
very
you had the
good.
fish curry?
They had this chicken meatball biryani which was yummy
Super.
with raita.
Super.
And even the sweet dish, oh my god, a huge
Sweet dish
spread.
तो भाई
There
अलग
were
पेट
too
चाहिए
many
उसके लिए.
desserts.
Yeah,
There was
really.
ice creams,
With
there
a
were
variety of
madeleines,
ice creams.
there
and
were
all that.
entremets, there were puddings, there were tarts, there were like too many things.
The Indian dessert as well.
Yeah, Indian
Motichur
desserts
laddu,
as
as
well.
you must have seen. So yeah, there's
Kaju roll,
there's many things.
anguri
Like
rabdi.
तुमको अलग पेट चाहिए या खाली डेजर्ट के लिए,
Yeah,
अलग
truly.
खाने के लिए. Yeah. Overall a fantastic experience, an experience which I hope you all go and experience too, because मैं तो जाते रहता हूँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है जगह. That's one place my mom loves and I love. We go there often. So now Mansi will also fall in love with that place because I'll take her there so many times. So yeah, overall beautiful experience, and that was a vlog. Keep following us on God Binge on The Million Foodie. Bye.